In this video I'm going to show you how to earn $400 plus just playing games daily and can withdraw your earning cash prize to your PayPal account and others payment on this app. Please like and share this video for other people to see it for higher recommendation. Now without wasting time, let's dive into the video. Now go to Play Store app or iOS app and search for Tropical Crush Win Prizes. Download and install app. Now click on Play button. On registration page, continue with your Google account to start play to earn cash. Now you can start playing games and maximize all the services this app offers to make money. You can cash out your earning and your winning prizes through PayPal and others. Have further questions, comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.